think ngiyamkai 10 dang. Because like the guy was focused yesterday.
Yeah.
Yangithola, and ama-crosses came in for me they were so good. As much as we are not playing so well, like first half in terms of not like ukuthi mesingadlali kahle, but like
Yeah.
in terms of us sizama ukukora. Umtholeka ingakho uMbuthuma for Mbuthuma to score. I think
Yeah.
2 times or 3 times yangithola. Second half ntanga like the assist like cherry on top mfethu, like it's a good assist for him to get that run. Phela uRila uhlakaniphile yangithola uthi uRila amuphe alibuyise, it's a good one. CM ama emdinga on the side, the guy was always there. When he has to mark a mover, the guy was always there. I think he's always deserve it 10 with no fear of favor.
I haven't had the chance to watch it back, but I had PhD. I didn't see. I had a PhD that he tried to shoot. That one. I love it. That thing
Asiboni ngokufana ne ayimakara hayi iwani PhD.
The guy trying crossbar.
What am I supposed to it? It's very possible.
There.
You wouldn't put it past me. But it was obvious.
That one was a cross.
And I mean, I haven't had a chance to watch it